Yeah, good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yesterday we learned about the stamping, and today we learned about different types of stampings that are available in the sheet metal model. Total there are 11 stampings are there. Today I will discuss about all the 11 stampings that how which one is used in which application. Alright, I will draw one small diagram. In that plate I will show all the 11 modules of the stamping. Right. First I will go with mechanical design, generative sheet metal design. Right. After that I will give the give the thickness of the sheet metal. Right, 2 and 4. Okay, no problem. Now I want to draw one small diagram. Select this plane. Click on sketcher. Alright. Now I will draw the center rectangle with 200 into 300. Constraint. Right, exit workbench. Right here I will giving the wall thickness. Right now I will show all the 11 modules of the punching in this platform. Select this plane. No. Alright. Now here there are 11 modules are there. Surface stamping. Listen carefully. These are all the very important stampings that are used in the sheet metal. Right. First one is the surface stamp. Second one bead. Third one curve stamp. Fourth one flanged cutout. Fourth one flanged cutout. Fifth one lower. Next sixth one. Sixth one is bridge. Seventh one flange hole. Right. By keeping on that name, it will be flanged hole. Next seventh one circular stamp. Stiffening rib, and this is the bridge dowel, and last one user defined. Right, user punch, user stamp. Right, these all 11 modules today I will discuss one by one, and all the 11 modules that I perform in the same platform on the same plate only. Right, now I will go with the first one. Select the plane. Now go to the sketcher, click on this one. Right, this we already discussed. Here we will draw one small rectangle. You can use this rectangle only. Alright, exit workbench. Alright, here we can see what is that happening on the back side of that. 1 second. I will reduce this. Right, now you can see, suppose I am increasing the height, what is happening? Right, you can see the variation at the back side of that one. Right, suppose I want to hide the radius 1, I want to remove the radius 1, I can unclick this also. Right, 2 and 3, sketch 1, preview. Right, this is the first one, surface stamping. Right, like this. If you are not aware of this, what is meant by R1, what is meant by R2, then also I will show. Right, just click on that. 1 second, Control Y. zooming up. Right. Now you can increase the height. No, I am decreasing this one. Right now you can see that this is called as a height of the stamping. Next, suppose I unclick the radius one. What will happen? You please check. Right, this is R1, outer surface of the radius. Suppose I click on this one. Right, I unclick this one. Just go to preview. Right, this is one. This is the R2. Inner radius has been not occurred. Right, now you can unclick and you go to preview. Right, you can see the variations of R1, R2 and height. Right, this is the first one, surface stamp, this one. Now I will go to the second one. This is called as a bead. Right, for beading, one second, I will select this sketch. Okay, no problem. I had selected the second one, bead. Right, here click on the sketcher, just click on this one. For beading, we need to have, I will go to fit to screen and I will enlarge. For beading, we can draw the S-plane. By using S-plane, we can draw any curves. Right, one second. Right, now I had drawn one small curve. If you can't, we can't enlarge this one. Right, on this curve, I need the beading. Right, exit workbench. Like now here we can increase the section radius 3 to something, anything that you want, and you can also change the end radius. This is the height. Next, this is the R. Next, go to the preview. One second, I will give the normal definition. Right, I had selected that one, preview. Right, like this we can give the beading for the different types of curves. Right, here you can see all the definitions and depth, and also you can invert that, you can see that also. Right, next one is the this is the third one, curve stamping. For curve stamping, we need to take the curve. Right, here click on the profile, go to the sketcher. Next, I can draw any 2-point curve or 3-point curve, any curve we can draw. Right, exit workbench. For this also, height is common, and length, radius, they all we can change. Right, go to preview, just click on OK. This is the curve. See the back side. Like this we can have the curve. Next one is the flanged. Next, this one, flanged cutout. For this also, we need to select the profile. For flanged, you need to draw the circle. Right, exit workbench. Right, now we can increase the height of this one. Right, angle A, radius also you can increase. Right, preview. Give to 20. Right, 15 is taken. Right, like this we can have the, see, this is the entire hole. This is the difference between all the, you can see all remaining differences also. Here in the flanged cutout means it will keep the entire hole. This one, flanged cutout means it will cut the entire section, that is called as a cutout. Okay, coming to the next one, it is lower. For lower also we need to draw one rectangle. One second, I am moving this profile. Right now I will go to the next one. This is the lower. Here also we need to select the profile. And if we draw one rectangle, it is in rectangle only. Right, exit workbench. Now I am in lower portion. Here I need to select the opening line. Opening lines in the sense, one side we can select it as an open line. It here I minimize it. You can see if we select 3 dimensions will be selected, 1 dimension will be like this, and we can increase the height of this one. You can see on the back side. Right, you go to the preview. Right, here you observe carefully, one of the portion is empty. Right, here also one portion is empty. Why? Because we had selected the cutout line. Right, one second, I will minimize. You observe all the differences of the stamping. One stamping will be used for one purpose, and one stamping is used for another purpose. Like this, all the stampings are used for different applications. Right, here we have only one opening. Why? Because we selected that opening. Right, I will show you one more time. Here this one opening line will be selected. Which line will be selected? That line will be opened. That is called as a opening line. That is used in lower definition. Right, okay. Next one is bridge. Right, up to these commands we need to draw the sketch. For next one we need not draw any sketches. Right, 1 2 3 4 5 lower completed. Now I am going to the bridge. Right, for bridge we can directly click on the object. Right, here we can increase the height of the bridge. Right, we can increase the length of the bridge, or we can change it to square, round. Right, like this, whatever we can have. Here there are some more options are there. Like for square it is asking L1 and L2, for round it is asking L1 and L2. And you go to the preview. One second. I will zoom it. And I will revolve it. Right, you can see here it is like a triangle shape. If you want we can modify that one also. One second. edit definition. No, I will go with another one. Right, I will draw here. Right, I will increase the height. I will increase the length. I will increase this one 2 mm radius. Okay. Preview. Right, now it is okay. Right, here you can see this is a like a hemming shape. It will come like U shape here on the above bottom side. If you want, we can change that one. Click on this one, go to select the profile. Now here I am clicking the square one. I am increasing the height. Right, you just click on preview. Oh, height is not taking much. We will go with 4. Right, now it is in the triangular shape. Alright, you can see it is in triangular shape, or you go with the round shape also. Preview. Like it will be in the round shape. Like we can do the bridge on the bridge between the elements. Right, I will zoom it and I will show you. Right, now you can observe carefully. Here one small H section, like it will be formed like here the shape will be round one. You can observe this one. This is called as a round one or rectangle, whatever will take that will be happened there. Next one is the flanged hole. Right, bridge completed. Next one is the flanged hole. Flanged hole is also simple. Right, for this also we did not go to the sketch. Just click on the object. Here we can increase the height and preview. Right, it will automatically forms the hole by using the radius and by using the height. Right, this one both are similar. Alright, next one, this is the circular stamp. Right, for circular stamping also just click on the object. You can increase the height. You go to the major dia and minor dia will be there. 2 diameters, punch and die, like all the options will be there. Go to the preview, just click on OK. Here hole is not formed, that is the difference. Hole will not be occurred. Right, you can tilt that also. Right, like hole is not formed in that one. Right, I will fit to screen. Next one is, right, I am drawing line by line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Still 11 are there. 9 10 11. 3 are remaining. Next stiffness. Right, stiffness rib. For stiffness rib, we are using the triangular shape modules. For that purpose, we need to have the wall thickness we need to give. Right, for giving the wall thickness, just I am minimizing, I am reducing this one. Here we need to draw one wall on edges. Click on this one. Here select the line, reverse position, and we can also decrease by using this option. By dragging that, we can have that one. By clicking on the corner of the orange button, just we can decrease this height. Right, just go on preview. Okay, now select the bottom surface. Select this option, this one. You can see the shape of that one, that is the L shape. In L shape, between that triangular will be formed. This is called as a stiffening rib. Just click on that. Click on the corner, that one. Right, here rib will be formed. Right, if you want, we can increase the radius of R1. We can increase the R2, and we can increase the length of that one also. You can see the red button will be highlighting. Right, preview. Right, okay. Like this. Between the walls, we are going to have the rib. That is called as a stiffening rib. Right. Next one is the dowel. This one. Dwell. dowel, right. For dowel also, just click on the object. If you want, we can increase the diameter. Right, go to the preview. Right, it will be like a screw. Only one mm has been increased. Diameter will be increasing. One slot will be occurred. It will be in the like oval shape. We can keep the X on that one. Like that purpose, we use the dowel. Right. Next, last one for user defined. It is somewhat difficult. Last stiffener, it is only the pending. Total 10 has been completed up to now. You can count also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 bendings I had explained today. And again I am repeating. The first one is surface stamp. Second one bead. Third one curve stamp. Fourth one flange cutout. Fifth one lower. Sixth one bridge. Seventh one flange hole. Next eighth one circular hole, circular stamp. Ninth one eighth one ninth one only stiffening rubber. 10th one is dual. Last one is user defined. For user defined, we are going to create one separate profile like screw thread, like that we will be happening. For that one, punching will be happen. I will draw one figure. I did not practice this one. 1 second, I will try. If not, I will explain how it will be working. Explain. Go to the sketch module. Right here, I am going to draw one circle. I will exit this one, and I will pad this one. Go to the assembly design. No. Part design. Here I will doing the pad, and I will do the mirror extent. I will give like 50. Okay. Now I will draw a flat surface, rectangular surface on top of this one. Fit to screen. Now I will draw the center rectangle. Right, exit workbench. User module I am practicing just now. Just wait. Give it as 30. Okay. Alright. For this one, we can do. Alright. Here now I will go to the generative sheet metal model, and here I will give the thickness. Now I will go to the user stamping. A sheet metal feature cannot be inserted because the sheet metal feature is found in the. Okay. I need to draw the sheet metal. Okay, no problem. Now I will take here the sheet. I am selecting the profile. Now I will take new one. Right, XY plane. First I will give the thickness 2. Select the sketcher. Now I will draw the center rectangle here. Punching will be occurred in this one. Exit workbench. Now take this one. Okay. Right. Select this one. Select this one. Go to the sketcher. Now I am drawing the red circle. Now I will go for the exit workbench. Now here I am using this module, part design module. Right now I am doing the pad. Now I am selecting the mirror extent. Okay. Right now top of the surface I will draw one more rectangle. Hit screen. Exit workbench. Now pad. Reverse direction. Just preview. Okay. Now here I have drawn bottom side circular surface, top side rectangular surface. In between that plate is happened. For doing this operation, first we had used the sheet metal, and second we had used the part design model. Right, you can see here. Right, mechanical design. Right, first for making the sheet metal, middle one I used sheet metal model. Next for the circular diagrams and rectangle diagrams I have taken the part model. Now I am going to the generative sheet metal model for this object. Now I am user defining. Select this one, user stamp as for punching. A sheet metal feature cannot be inserted here. Do you want to define the work object as a part body? Okay. It is part body. We need to assemble for the. One second. I will go with the plain wall. Right now I will define the user define here only. No problem. I will try. Select the sketcher. Now I am drawing one circle. Exit workbench. Now we can do the punching, I think so. Alright. Position at the center. Okay, I will show once again. Tomorrow I will try this one. This is somewhat difficult. We need to combine both the part design model and sheet metal model. That is the difficulty I have faced. Okay, no problem. I will explain the last 11th one tomorrow. Now I will draw one 2D diagram. Right, I will go with CATIA. Yesterday we drawn this one. Now I will draw this one. Right, 160 into 120. Center rectangle. $160. And again other side 120 constraint. Padding is 20. Exit workbench. Pad 20. Enter. వస్తున్నామా Flip to screen.
Hello.
Carrot into carrot juice. Right. After that, uh, if you want, we can draw the base one. Then we can keep these two slots. Otherwise, we can draw initially, and we can extrude it. Right. Okay. Total it is 60. Height is 50. Height is 50. Height we will pad. It is 100. 90 plus 30. 100 into 120. Right. Right. You can see this side it is 100. This side it is 120. Go to the constraint. 100. By taking the center rectangle, it will take all the dimensions from the center. That is the best advantage. Why every time I am using the center rectangle. Right. Total it is 120. No problem. Right now I can draw the profile. Or I can do the extrude. I have drawn extrude. Height it is 60. Right. Right, no problem. I will pad it up to the 50 mm exit workbench. Pad 50 and done. Now for this we will make the slots. Right click on the sketcher, fit to screen. First I will draw the center one. It is 50 and height is 30. Length is 120 only. Take the center rectangle from center. Take the slot. (120). Length is 50. Subtraction how much? From here to here it is 30 subtraction. Exit workbench. Right, pocket 30 and one slot created. Next select this place, click on the sketcher, fit to screen. Now here I need to draw these two one. Right, from here to here 40 45. Alright, 30 Alright, here 30 into 25 center rectangle. Alright, here it is 30. Enter. Alright, here it is 25. Right, 30 into 25. Alright, now I need to make constraint definitions. Right, from here to here it is 0, 0. Now from here to here it is 45. With this completed, select this one, select this one, make it as 45. Right, okay, exit workbench. Right, pocket. Right, it is up to last. Just go to preview. Okay, right, completed. Right, we need to analyze the figure how if we draw the figure within a short period. That is the important thing here. Right, here I am taking material with shading, material with lines I am selecting. Alright, the analyzation of figure is important. In which way, if you draw the figure as early as possible, in that way most of them will be drawn. Sometimes we can draw this U section, sometimes we can draw this all the this U section. Which side we can draw? We can draw it any side. The important thing is we need to complete within the stipulated time. Right. Right. This is also somewhat simple. I will try this one. Sometimes dimensions not given means it is difficult to understand. Thickness is given. ఎవరు తెచ్చారు? దగ్గుతున్నావు అవసరమా? నాకు వద్దులే, నువ్వు తిను. బాయ్. ఎక్స్పర్ట్ లేదు, స్కెచర్. ఉండు, క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది. చెప్పు. తాత మమ్మీని అటు చూపించుకో. మమ్మీని అడిగి చూపించుకో. అయిపోలే, ఇట్లా ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోయింది. అడిపో లోపల ఉండు. Hey, మంచిది బాగుంటుంది నాకు.
క్యారెట్ చేశాను మా ఇందాక ఒక సిప్ పట్టు. బాగుందా?
Pi of 120 or 20 this one radius. Pi of 16, pi of 6 this one whole. Pi of 16 upon pi of 69 this one. Right. Now total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. 360 divided by 6. I will draw the center this one. Okay. Meeting the center point is important. Now I will measure these angles. .45. Right, again from here to here it is 45. Right, okay. Now I will draw this first pi 6 with 6 circles I will draw. Diameter 6. Now I can do mirror. Right, all the 6 circles has been drawn. Now I am drawing the profile. From the center point it is pi of 16. From the circle this is pi of 20, r of 20. First I will draw with pi of 16. I will draw this 3-point arc. No. And what is this one? Pi of 16. Now with radius of 20 I need to draw the inner radius for this one. Radius of 20. నాకు తెలియదు నాకు తెలియదు క్లాస్ ఉంది పోరానా మమ్మీని అడుగు Just change the radius, right, fit to screen, everything completed, and after that remove the center lines. So I also make to 6. And you can see like this we can draw. And thickness is 10 mm. I will try. I will select all that and make it as fix. Several open profiles. Here are the open profiles. I will do coincidence, selecting all the upper circles and lower circles by using control option. Fix is there already. Okay, no problem. This is the 2D one, no problem. We can have give the thickness also. This one I will try. It is 50 into 50. Draw the center rectangle. Thickness is 10. Thickness is 10. Now I will select this one, sketcher. Now draw the center hole, pi of 20. Pi of 20. This side to this side 25. This side to this side 20. From left side to it is 25. It is exactly center of no problem. From here it is 20. Just I need to check this one only. From this side to this side it is 20. Constant happen, no problem. diameter 20. It is not moving, it has taken from center. What I will do, I will draw the circle somewhere else. Now I will change the distance. But we will do one thing, from this center point it is 50, 50 minus 20, it is 30, 30 minus 30 divided by 2. Take its center point, 30 divided by 2, it is enough. One second.
The number you have dialed is currently busy. Please try later. మీరు డయల్ చేస్తున్న నంబర్ ప్రస్తుతం బిజీగా ఉంది. దయచేసి కొంత సమయం తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించండి. आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर
No.
The person you have called is speaking to someone else. You can wait or call again later. మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి మరొక కాల్లో బిజీగా ఉన్నారు. మీరు వేచి ఉండండి లేదా తిరిగి మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించండి. आपने जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल किया है वो अन्य कॉल पर व्यस्त है. कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें या कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें. The person you have called is speaking to someone else. You can wait or call again later. The person you are calling is not answering. Please try later. మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి సమాధానం ఇవ్వడం లేదు. దయచేసి కొంత సమయం
కొంచెం ఆగిస్తాను, నువ్వు పో.
speaking to someone else. You can wait or call again later. మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి మరొక కాల్లో బిజీగా ఉన్నారు. మీరు వేచి ఉండండి లేదా తిరిగి మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించండి. आपने जिस व्यक्ति को
Right, from here to here it is 50 distance. From bottom up to 10 minus it is 40. No problem. I will draw the center line. Devanshu! దేవాంశు, సెల్లి పనుంది. Right, okay. Now here it is pi of 10 1, another one is pi of 20. Pi of 10, pi of 20 now. It's 10. Right, now I will draw one straight line here. Or I will go with this one. Here I will do. Thickness is also 10 on the inside. Reverse direction 10. Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you for the today's session.